Hi friends, today we are going to discuss bank loans. Last session we have discussed OCC and ODE. Today we are going to discuss secured loan and unsecured loan under loans itself only. So secured loan is always we are going to take from the bank of either in the way of long term loan, medium term loan or short term loans or debentures or term loans. So it is having a terms and conditions where they'll give you the terms and conditions paper and EMI breakums. So the terms and conditions mentions that when within how many years that you have to finish this loans, but unsecured loans is not so. It is taken from the directors or partners and outside parties, which is unsecured, when they will be not having any terms and conditions, and whenever they wanted to take money, they'll threaten you and take money. So that is always an unsecured loan is what. So this is what we are going to enter here in secured loan and unsecured loan. First is short term loan and here it is a bank account. Under loans it's supposed to be, loans liabilities here. So address, any random address you can put. When you are taking a bank loan, then you have to give your PAN card, your Aadhaar card, other informations, your tax proof, all those things. Based on that is they are going to issue a bank loan. So PAN card number I am giving you, or IT. Now that a GST number has come, you can enter those things, and sales tax number. Okay. So here what is the amount that I am taking as a short term loan. Okay, CR is not crore, it is a creditor. Okay, creditor and debitor. And next is long term loan under loans and liabilities. Long term loan, some address I put Karnataka, but while you enter you have to give a proper address and proper information. Okay, and now that our creditor is increasing, right? Next is debentures or term loan. Debentures, you can enter all those things now that I am avoiding. Next is unsecured loan, is directors or partners. You can put here only directors and partners. Loan liabilities, I just skip certain things. Okay, and next is outside parties, that is third parties who gives more for the interest purpose, they'll give money. So you should not take it from such people. That is always an unsecured loan for you. Okay, I hope you understood this. We'll continue in our next session, branches and divisions. Thank you.